Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into an updated review of stocks to trade for 2025. If you're a trader looking for the right tools to level up your game, you're in the right place. Stocks to Trade is a popular platform that offers stock scanning, charting, educational resources, and community support all in one spot. But with so many options out there, is it really worth it? Let's break it down step by step. First off, what makes Stocks to Trade stand out? It has powerful real-time scanners that help you spot trading opportunities quickly, like breakout patterns or high-volume stocks. The platform also includes advanced charting tools and integrates with brokers for seamless trading. Plus, their educational content, including webinars and courses, is a huge plus for beginners and pros alike. In this 2025 update, they've added AI-driven insights and improved mobile app features, making it even more user-friendly. Now, let's talk pros and cons. On the positive side, it's incredibly intuitive once you get the hang of it, and the community forums are gold for sharing tips and strategies. It's also customizable, so you can tailor it to your trading style. However, the downsides include its subscription cost. Plans start at around $100 a month, which might be steep for casual traders. There's also a learning curve if you're new to technical analysis, and some users report occasional glitches during high market volatility. So, is Stocks to Trade worth it for you? It depends on your goals. If you're a serious day trader or swing trader who values speed and education, absolutely yes. But if you're just dipping your toes in the market, you might want to start with free tools elsewhere. Overall, for 2025, Stocks to Trade remains a solid choice with its enhancements. If you're convinced, check out the link in the description to try it out. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more trading tips. What's your go-to trading platform? Drop it in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.